Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Lexsong, the world's first Alexa Smart plug with data backup function. With ordinary sockets, USB port, Type-C port, Lexsong is able to cater most of the daily use and supports fast charging as well. Lexsong is not only smart but handy. You can control it via our dedicated app or Alexa Smart speaker and simply touch it to switch on and off. Data is as important as the power supply, or more important, you can use the local Wi-Fi to upload and back up it to the storage device which is attached to Lexsong. The backed up files will be categorized into pictures, videos, music, files. And those files can be accessed via Lexsong Smart Plug, which works as a gateway for users to share and collaborate. Lexsong, your home and office smart plug gateway. A better place deserves a better plug.